Good morning, Hockey Jersey Thursday fans and friends. It's time for another riveting edition of Mr. Kovacs class, and especially the Bellringer. Can you dig it?
All right. Hey now.
Mr. Kovacs class. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
You might learn a ton.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
It's interesting too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
All right, so we're studying transcription and translation, and it's the two-step process from genes into proteins. Okay, so we know that transcription takes place in the nucleus of the cell. Transcription takes place in the nucleus of the cell. Translation takes place in the cytoplasm, right? And it has to do with DNA, and one section of DNA is one protein, right? So transcription is how you copy a gene, right? You turn it from DNA into a string of messenger RNA. And the one thing that's going to confuse you the most is, notice in RNA there are no T's. They're replaced with U's. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. There are, of course, some enzymes involved in that, one being RNA polymerase. You may remember DNA polymerase from replication. This is RNA polymerase. It's the enzyme that helps RNA make itself. And then what happens, translation, that strip of RNA that's made by RNA polymerase, right, has to travel out to the cytoplasm, to a ribosome. This is a really confusing looking diagram, but and the ribosome translates the DNA, right? The way a ribosome works is that it holds the strip of mRNA in place, and then tRNA molecules come up and match up with the anticodons with each group of three. So that's what we need to study today. There's tRNA. We'll begin to study transcription and translation. All right? Okay, let's do class today.